Hello UKG kids, welcome to today's class. Children, as you know, our next exam will be the EVS oral and drawing. So in this video, we will revise our EVS chapter from 1 to 13. So let's start revision. So children, as you can see, our first chapter is myself. In this chapter, you have to prepare yourself, in which you have to tell your name, your age, your phone number, your parents' name means your father's and mother's name, and where do you live. Okay children, so this way you have to revise chapter 1. Now children, come to the chapter 2, I am active. So children, in which you have to learn your daily activity. So I will tell you, children, tell your daily activity, then you will tell your 2 and 3 daily activity. Children, come to the chapter 3, happy and sad. So children, in this chapter, I will show you the given pictures on your book. So you have to recognize the picture and you have to tell I feel happy or I feel sad. Okay. Now children, come to the chapter 4, keeping healthy. So children, in which you have to learn 5 healthy habits. Okay. You have to learn 5 healthy habits like brushing your teeth, okay, drinking juice, washing your hands. So this way you have to learn any 5 healthy habits. Now children, come to the chapter 5, a birthday surprise. In this chapter, I will show you the 4 images. So you have to put them in correct orders. Okay. This way you have to prepare chapter 5. Now children, come to the chapter 6, ears and nose. So children, in this chapter, you have to learn the work of ears and nose. For example, I hear with my ears and I smell with my nose. I hear with my ears and I smell with my nose. Now children, come to the chapter 7, tongue and skin. So same, you have to learn I taste with my tongue and I feel with my skin. In this chapter, you have to learn the functions of tongue and functions of skin. Okay. And I will ask the taste, some these things like bitter gourd. Bitter gourd का taste कैसा होता है? Bitter. Okay. Now lemon. Lemon का taste कैसा होता है? Sour. Cookies. The taste of cookies is sweet. Okay. Sweet and salty. Both can be. In this, I will give some examples of the things. So you have to tell on the things you should not touch or you should touch. आपको कौन सी चीजें touch करनी चाहिए और कौन सी चीजें touch नहीं करनी चाहिए. Okay children, this way you will prepare chapter 7. Now children, come to the chapter 8, our eyes, in which you have to learn the function of eyes. And I will give you an activity like here. So you have to tell which body parts you are using in this activity. आप इस activity में कौन कौन सा body part use कर रहे हो? That, for example, here you can see the girl is smelling the flower. तो ये अपनी आंखों का use कर रही है ना, क्योंकि ये इसको देख भी सकती है. And nose for smell and skin for touch or hold. Okay, so this way you have to prepare chapter 8. Now children, chapter 9, my family. So children, in this chapter, you have to learn in which type of family are you living. आप किस तरह की family में रह रहे हो? Nuclear family or joint family. Okay children? Now children, come to the chapter 10, helping others. Okay? So, हमको दूसरों की help करनी चाहिए और अपने family members की भी help करनी चाहिए. You have to tell any 3 things that you do at your home to help your family. जो भी आप अपने घर में करते हो अपनी फैमिली की हेल्प करने के लिए. ओके. Yummy fruits. Children, in this chapter you have to learn the name of the given fruits with their colors. Okay. And you have to learn the spelling of the fruits also. Now children, chapter 12. Children, in this chapter you have to learn 2 one-seeded fruit and 2 many-seeded fruit. Okay. So I will show you the picture. So you have to identify from the given picture, this fruit has many seeds or this fruit has 1 seed. Now children, come to the chapter 13, healthy and junk food. Children, in this chapter you have to learn एनी 5 हेल्दी फूड्स नेम, आपको कोई भी 5 हेल्दी फूड्स के नेम को लर्न करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस वे यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर EVS oral from chapter 1 to 13. Okay kids, so best of luck children, bye bye.